The receptive nature of our being is like a valley. The rain flows down from the heavens to the mountains, and then down the mountains into the valley. There in the valley, the soil becomes rich and fertile, a natural place for things to grow. When we become open and receptive, like a valley, the natural nourishment from the heavens can flow to us, and our natural purpose can grow. Notice how dissatisfied you feel when you accept the learned belief that your purpose needs to be more grand than just the simple things that appear each moment. Consider this: the simple things that appear for you to do each moment are your purpose for that moment. Enjoy the purpose that arises from each moment. Observe the heavens. Do the heavens not appear endless? Observe the earth. Does the earth provide without motive? Notice how heaven and earth just exist. Without a desire for themselves, they can be present for all beings. Without a self-centered mind, they do not seek attention or self-importance. When living from the inner source, focusing on one's outer self-image begins to diminish. Selfless ones allow life to live through them, serving as needed. They have no sense of being first or last. Thus, without self-interest, the highest natural flow can come forth. When living like the heavens and earth, one can become free from the need for acknowledgement.